Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A fast way to search for email is by searching for text in the email's subject line. Doing this lets Outlook skip scanning the email's body text, which makes for a faster and easier search. This lesson shows you how to change the subject line of an email you receive to add text to it that will let you quickly find the email later. To edit the subject line of an email you have received in Outlook, double-click the message in your inbox to open the email in its own message window. Depending on the version of Outlook you are using, you may need to click the Expand Headers downward pointing arrow button at the right end of the header section in the email to expand the headers to make them editable. Then add the text to find later to the subject line of the email. Then click the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar and accept any warning messages Outlook may show. Note that you cannot change the subject line of an email that contains an attachment while the attached file is opened. You must first close the attached file before editing the subject line of the associated email. In Outlook, which shows emails sorted by conversation by default in the inbox, you may notice that changing the subject line does not change the way email is grouped and displayed in Conversation View. This is because Conversation View uses the Conversation field to organize the mail, not the subject field. If desired, to disable the Conversation View in the inbox, select the Inbox in the folder pane. Then click the View tab in the ribbon. Then uncheck the Show as Conversations checkbox in the Messages button group. Then choose whether to apply the change to this folder or all mailboxes by clicking the desired button in the prompt that appears. Alternatively, to cancel the change, click the Cancel button in the prompt instead.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.